This is a developing situation at Brown University tonight. Officials are confirming new details after a shooting on campus. The update comes as investigators work around the clock. Students, faculty, and families are demanding answers. Law enforcement remains visible across the area. Authorities say public safety remains the top priority. What officials are sharing now could shape the next phase of this response, and questions are growing about what happens next. Officials say the shooting unfolded within a limited area of the Brown University campus, triggering an immediate emergency response. Authorities confirmed that campus alerts were sent out within minutes. Law enforcement moved quickly to secure buildings and nearby streets. Students were instructed to shelter in place as officers cleared the scene. As the situation continues to develop, officials say the immediate threat was contained. Multiple law enforcement agencies responded, including local police and state-level units. Specialized teams were deployed to ensure no additional danger remained. Emergency medical personnel treated victims on site before hospital transport. Officials say the area surrounding the incident was locked down for several hours. Access points were controlled, traffic was diverted, campus operations were paused as a precaution. With the area now secured, investigators began a detailed forensic process. Authorities say evidence collection is ongoing. Shell casings and other materials are being examined. Surveillance footage from campus and nearby locations is under review. Officials emphasize that the investigation is active and complex. They say multiple interviews are underway. Witness accounts are being carefully cross-checked. Digital evidence is also part of the review process. Beyond the immediate response, officials are addressing concerns from the university community. Counseling services have been expanded. Support centers have been opened for students and staff. University leadership says academic flexibility is being offered during this period. Authorities say public safety measures have been increased across campus. Uniformed officers remain visible. Patrols have been intensified. Security checkpoints have been adjusted based on risk assessments. As officials provide updates, they stress that transparency is critical. They say confirmed information will be released as soon as possible. Rumors circulating online are being actively addressed. Authorities urge the public to rely only on official sources. Looking at the broader implications, experts say incidents like this raise serious questions about campus safety nationwide. Universities across the country are reviewing their emergency protocols. Security professionals say response time and communication are key factors. Officials note that rapid coordination helped limit further harm. National leaders are monitoring developments closely. Statements of concern are coming in from across the political spectrum. International observers are also taking note, particularly institutions with exchange programs. Officials say they are examining how the suspect was able to access the area. They are reviewing security infrastructure. They are assessing whether any warning signs were missed. Authorities say accountability will be part of the process. With the investigation ongoing, officials caution that some details cannot yet be released. They say protecting the integrity of the case is essential. Charges, if any, will follow established legal procedures. Beyond law enforcement, public health experts are weighing in. They say long-term trauma can affect entire communities. Support systems, they argue, are as important as security measures. Authorities confirm that coordination with federal partners is underway. Information is being shared across agencies. Threat assessments are being updated in real time. As the campus begins the slow process of returning to routine, officials say vigilance remains necessary. Security plans will continue to evolve. Community briefings are expected in the coming days. Looking ahead, authorities say they are focused on 3 priorities: completing the investigation, ensuring continued safety, and restoring a sense of stability for students and staff. Officials say updates will continue as new information becomes available and as investigators work through the next critical phase of the case, monitoring developments that could influence both campus policy and broader national discussions around security and prevention, as attention now turns to what authorities uncover next and how those findings may shape decisions moving forward.